YouTube. Well, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're at around the world watching this. It's an early morning for me. Got to get up, get it moving, go get some two things checked on the car. Being part of a car community is a great thing. Not being part of a car club. Being part of a car community is a great thing. Met some cool people. Put me onto one of the people that is a mechanic Mercedes Benz. Trying to figure out why this keep popping up now. I'm about to take it to get it looked at and find out what's going on. Also, my trunk switch that's supposed to close the trunk automatically. That one not working, my lock button's working. He about to look at that too. And help me diagnose what it really is. From his expertise, looking at it, of course, do a video chat call. He said if it's lighting up, it probably did the switch. That one on that side went bad. So, warming the car up, gotta pull it out, go check him real quick, see what's going on with it, and then go from there. But car's warming up right now. So, while I'm on the highway, I know to take the belt or the Jackie Robinson, turn the camera back on, give a quick drive view. Pause it, turn it back on again when I get there. But thank you for tuning in. I was learning to upload more, especially when I go do stuff with the car. Also, there's 2 car meets today, so this might be in this video too, or a separate video. I don't know yet. I'll see, depending on how I feel. When I edit it, it may be all one video, or maybe 2, depending on the type of mood I'm in. Alright, stay tuned. I'll be back. That's what happens when you're stuck behind a Prius. Drive, not mine. Drive. Yes, blaze move. Love the rev matching in this thing. Love it. But I'm giving you a quick driver's view. Then when I get to the house, I'm gonna talk about how the new good friend I met took real good care of me today. And saved me crazy money. It's always a good thing to save money with these cars. Up and running since 11:30 this morning. It's after 3 and I still ain't eat yet. But hey, that's life when you're on cars like these. Stuff gotta be done, you get it handled. That's a little quick high rate video. I'll turn the camera back on once I stop, get the car washed, eat, all that good stuff. And I still got a car meet to go to. So I'll be back. good to YouTube. This is the end of the video. I wasn't able to record anything while I was getting the turbo return line gasket replaced. My guy hooked up and programmed the trunk. That was actually fixed, and it wasn't a switch. It had to be reprogrammed, reteached to the car. So now I can press that trunk button and it closes. I'm gonna take a clip of that. Finally working. Of course, I'm pleasantly happy with them 3 things getting done. And I could actually open and close all 4 windows of sunroof with the key now. So 3 things got knocked out the way today. I'm gonna see my guy next week to do the fluid flush, the brake line fluid flush. You know me, I don't edit anything. I keep 100% real when I post these. And when I went there today, I cloned with the guy who, took care of the car today, and the mechanics that was there. They were really surprised at how clean, well-maintained, and how this car looked. No crazy leaks outside of the turbo line return gasket. Immaculate shape underneath. Not missing no bolts, screws, but you'd be surprised when people get their cars fixed, the stuff that be missing from them. But this is a short video, but I'm glad I got that done today. Super, super glad. I was up and out since noon today. It's 18:40 now. Pardon my military brain. 6:40. Got back home around 4:38. Went to go see my homeboy Mac that I met one day that's out and about. He has a clean E63. He painted a whole new different color. I might post a couple pictures of it up here when I edit this and put it up. Or I might post it on my Instagram stories on my Instagram page for my car. It's Panda CLS 63. Yes, Panda like the bear. Like Kung Fu Panda the movie. Panda 63 CLS. Because white outside, black interior, black and white combo. So I named it Panda. Even though there's a metallic pearl white paint, still either way. I might change my name, Instagram name, I might not, depending on how I feel. But thank you for tapping in. Like I said, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please share this, help me grow my YouTube channel. I'm getting more and more comfortable turning this camera on, and hey, sure need a car life. As the saying goes, you gotta pay to play. When it comes to owning cars like these, definitely a true story. But I do not mind at all. At all. So like I said again, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share. Good night, good morning, good evening, where you're at all over the world. Enjoy. And watch this video all the way in. Let me get my watch time up. Once I forgot what it's called. Oh, when I get certified on here, on YouTube, I can start making money. And that's the end goal for me, to turn the YouTube channel into another source of income. So I can teach my daughters how to navigate every avenue approach to bring some extra income in your pocket. Go for it. Maybe even YouTube, you never know. All right, so, hey, kings and queens, God bless, salute. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Me, about to go in the house. Have me sip a Casamigos, just chill for the night. I gotta go to work in the morning. So, once I walk in the house, that's it for me for the night. God bless. Stay safe. 1.